Good evening, ma'am. My name is Soumya. Today I am presenting my reflective teaching 1, and here are the learning outcomes of my topic. The competency to use the language meaning for usage in real life, the competency to express the views, ideas in creative manner, to encourage them use the correct words in correct manner, to learn the joining of two sentences with correct relative clause, to learn and remember the words and their meanings. These are the learning outcomes. So, let us see what are the academic standards which are used for this topic. Learners will listen and respond to the questions of grammar. Learners will emerge with new vocabulary words on a sentence. Learners will create their own sentence with using suitable relative clause and adverbs. Learners will read the words and place them in suitable blank. Okay, coming to our topic. We all have learned about parts of speech, right? We all have learned about parts of speech. So, what are the parts of speech? Yes, there are 8 parts of speech, right? So, what are they? Yes, noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Yes. So we have heard a word right here, adverb. So what is adverb? Adverb, it is a word which modifies the verb, adjective, sentences, okay, etc. also. And it typically expresses the manner, place, time, etc. Okay. So adverb is a word which answers the question like how, when, where, what, etc. So these type of questions. It is the answer of these type of questions. Okay. So it is modified mostly by ly to the verb word. So ly, the suffix, a suffix is added to the verb word. Ly suffix is added to the verb word like beautiful, beautifully, special, specially. So ly is added at the end of the word. Okay, that is a suffix. Okay, so let's see some examples. He ran quickly. So what is the adverb in this? Yes, quickly. So there's a problem in my software, so that's why the underline is going on upside of the word. And another one is she spoke softly. Yes, softly is the adverb. So let us see some of the questions which are given in your textbook. Okay, you have to put these words in the fill in the blanks. Okay, so first one is I dash forgot about it. So which is the suitable word, which is suitable word can be used in this sentence? What is the word? I dash forgot about it. I completely forgot about it. Okay. Second one. The report must read dash only, then the action will be taken. So how the report will be read? Carefully. Yes. The answer is carefully. Next, the teacher shook her head dash when her student lied to her. Yes, sorrowfully. And another one is the two teams played. The two teams played differently. Yes. So these are the words. These are the adverb words which are suitable for these sentences. Okay, let us learn about another one, that is reflective clause. Have you heard about reflective clause? Okay, reflective clause means it gives extra information about or identifies a person, place, time, or thing. Means it will complete the sentence with the perfect sentence by adding some sentence to it and making it perfect. Okay, it will add some sentence. It will give some extra information to the sentence. So it normally begins with a relative pronoun. You have to keep in your mind that the relative clause always starts with a relative pronoun. So what are the relative pronouns? So the relative pronouns are who, where, when, what, which, that, was. These are the relative pronouns. So this relative clause will be starting with this relating pronoun. Okay, this is also called as adjective clause. Yes. So these are some of the examples of relative clause. So there is a sentence here. They turned the pages, which were yellow and crinkly. So what is the relative clause in this? The relative clause is which were yellow and crinkly. Okay. So here they turn the pages is was sentence. Okay. And which were yellow and crinkly, it is a relative clause which is added to the sentence and making it perfect. Okay. And another one. So we will read some sentences and find the relative clauses. Okay. One second. The part Margie hated most was the slot where she had to put homework and test papers. That was the papers. And here find the relative clause. What was the relative clause? What would be the relative clause? Yes, the relative clause is where she had to put homework and test papers. Okay, we'll see another one. This is the old king of school that they had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. So what is the relative clause in this? Yes, that they had hundreds and hundreds years of ago. Yes. So now we will combine the sentences. There will be two sentences, different sentences, and we will combine the sentence with the reflective clause. Okay, suitable reflective clause. So there is first one. Mahi always tell funny stories. We all like them. There are two sentences, right? Mahi always tell funny stories. We all like them. That two sentences. So how we will combine the sentence with the relative clause? Mahi always tells funny stories that we will like. Okay. Dolly ate all the biscuits. I bought them for Chandu. There are two sentences. So how we will combine? Yes, Dolly ate all the biscuits which I bought them for Chandu. Another one. An old man visited us last night. He is my grandfather. So how it will be? An old man who visited us last night was my grandfather. Okay. Another one. We should remember the place we often used to meet. There are two different sentences. And how will we combine it? We should remember the place where we used to meet often. Okay. Yes. Divija gave me a camera. It was not working. No, the sentence should be like this. The camera which Divija gave me was not working. Divija gave me a camera. It was not working. So how the sentence should be? The camera which Divija gave me was not working. Okay. We can also write in that manner also. Okay. So here I want to give some assignment for you. Today's assignment is we have learnt about adverb and also relative clause, right? So first assignment which I am giving for you is pick some of the adverbs from the lesson. What was our lesson? The fun they had, right? So pick up some of the adverbs from that and make your own sentences. Make some sentences, okay? And another one is we have also learned about relative clause, right? In that page, we have a bit right, last bit. So in that they have given some sentences. So you have to complete that sentence by using suitable relative clause. So complete this uh, assignments which I have given. I'll check in another class. Okay. Thank you so much.